Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pay with Cash App using a QR code. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go and be needing the application to be able to pay with a QR code. So if you do not already have the application, what you can do is go to the App Store. It's going to look like this. You want to open up the search option, and by clicking the search option guys, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen where you can go ahead and get started searching. So what you want to do is search for Cash App, and after you have searched for Cash App guys, it's going to go ahead and enable you to download the application, and now we can get started. So guys, what you want to do is after you have opened the application, go ahead and log in using your mobile number or your login info depending whichever you prefer. And after doing so guys, now we can get started accessing the main options right here. As you can see here, we have our cash balance in the main page, our savings, and all the other settings we have, and now we can get started. So basically guys, if you want to pay with a QR code, it's very easy and you only need 2 clicks. What you want to do is click the dollar sign right here in the middle of the page. At the bottom of the page in the middle is this dollar sign that you want to go ahead and click. After clicking on the dollar sign, it's going to open up a new menu where you can go ahead and get started making any payments you prefer, and in the upper left corner is going to appear a button that is a QR code. By clicking that button, it's going to enable you to scan any QR code that you prefer on Cash App or wherever, and from there guys, you can go ahead and fill out all the info and get started with paying using QR code, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.